Hey everybody, Vacation here. Tom here with Elena, and today, well, this evening we are at EPCOT, and we're here for one specific reason. That is because we got a virtual queue at 1 p.m. for Test Track that is opening soon. I'll put the date in. It's the AP previews. We actually we were napping 20 minutes ago. We woke up, saw that our queue thing was called, like, all right, if we're gonna go, let's go. So we got here. It's like 8:05 right now. We're gonna jump into line and check out the new Test Track. Very excited. You excited?
Very excited.
8:08. All right, so let's get inside and do this. Oh my God. Whew. From 0 to 100. That's what we just did. So join us for this Test Track adventure.
Let's go.
Quickly. Vroom. Preview, queue, check-in this way. Very excited. Very, very excited. Where is it? Ah, must be here. Oh, excuse me, sorry. It is warm. Oh. Thank you. She's there specifically just to point us in the right direction. That's wonderful. Well, honestly, I don't know if I would have went over to her if she wasn't standing there, though. So it's a self-fulfilling prophecy, I suppose. Let's go. Well, they actually had to have me pull it up and show it to them. They don't have a scanner, so okay. Look. You can't really see it, but you can hear it. Oh, wait. Oh, this is the only way in? Okay. So then you scan over here. Okay, fair enough. Hello. All right, let's go. Oh, the AC is good, nothing else. All right, I mean, it's been a minute since I've been on Test Track. It just doesn't look like this has changed all that much. Maybe it has. Actually, my car looks different. The future is now. Look at that little car. I would like to think it doesn't use a lot of gas, but you never know. And lots of queue. This may be needed. When I checked in earlier, it was a 7-hour. Look, there's the cars right there. It was a 7-hour estimated queue, which I was like, there's no way. Yeah, this ain't bad at all. Hopefully this keeps going like this. Okay, there, I see a queue. Got a lot of prototypey looking vehicles there. Oh, this is the battery platform. GM? It's like the queue is queuing up right over here. Oh, look. looks like the lightning lane merge is right back there. So we are now through. They're telling you to pull the yellow cord. So that's a good sign that we are close. Excellent.
Hello. The seatbelt check is around the corner.
Oh.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please supervise children. Thank you.
New cars look cool. They're slick.
Welcome, riders. I'll be your guide on today's journey.
And I'm your automated vehicle. Welcome to the test track.
We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now, you set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Hang on!
Nicely done!
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle line.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Oh, look how nice. We're styling. Okay.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Let's go!
Test drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore the latest innovations from General Motors. Not to shift gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road. You see what I did there?
I think you should just leave the jokes to me.
Okay, maybe you're right. Thanks for joining us. See you in the future.
Awesome. It encapsulates everything that a EPCOT ride has. It has a forest scene. It has education. It has like, it's just wonderful. It's my favorite version of the ride yet. I really, really, really like it. Hands down the best test track that they've put out. Lena, what did you think of Test Track?
Oh, it's so nice.
So much better. I love it. All told, awesome, awesome. Awesome attraction. 2 thumbs up. All right, well, I think that's it for this one. So I'd like to thank everyone for joining us on this adventure. Until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories. Test Track memories. Thanks for watching the Vacationers Podcast YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when new content drops. Also, swing by vacationerspodcast.com for vlogs, videos, and much more, including links to listen to our podcast, Vacationers, Theme Parks, and more. Or you can find it on your favorite podcast streamer. Would you like to know what I'm up to? Well, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, where I post anytime I am out and about. Well, that's probably enough plugging for now. So until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories.